Pag-usapan natin ang kasaysayan ng A. Maraming mga amiga kong Gen X ang confused. Wag po kayo mag-alala mga kumare. Hindi po siya gang sign at hindi magagalit si Lord. I got you. Alam ng mga kabataan na A is part of the lyrics of the Bini hit Salamin.
Ayokong maniwala,
Tapos, Bini Sheena started using the sign in her appearances and concerts and it caught on among the Bini Blooms. She explained in an interview na nakuha niya yung A sa mga tropa niya. For them, it is all about sharing good vibes and positive energy. Pero that symbol carries deep cultural significance to Hawaii. The symbol is called a shaka. Hindi po chaka, iba yun. The shaka has its origins in the early 1900s from a man named Hamana Kalili who was born in 1882. His mother, Caroline Kialalaina, came from a noble family. She was the daughter of Chief Kaleohano Kwakaha of Maui. His father, Nahuina, was a commoner. Kahit may noble blood siya, hindi sila mayaman. He made a living as a fisherman. Pero kapag walang huling isda, laborer siya sa Kahuku Sugar Mills kung saan siya yung nag-o-operate ng presser ng tubo. Para siyang industrial juicer. Alam nyo na siguro kung saan pupunta yung kwento. Na-aksidente siya at naputol yung tatlong gitnang daliri niya. Pagkatapos ng aksidente, malaki kasi yung katawan niya, ginawa siyang security ng tren na nagtatransport ng tubo. Palagi niyang sinasaway yung mga bata na gustong mag-joyride sa tren. At pag tinataas niya yung kamay niya, dalawang daliri lang yung nakikita. The hand sign became a signal among the children to mean all clear, wala yung sikyo. Mga salbahing bata, pinagtatawanan yung may kapansanan. These children grew up with that collective memory and it became a symbol for them to recognize each other later in life as having grown up in Laie in Oahu. When California surfers began going to Hawaii in the 1950s and the 1960s, they appropriated the sign and coined it to mean hang loose or right on or things are great or take care. At lumawak yung gamit sa Amerika at sa buong mundo. Hanggang ngayon, ginagamit siya. Barack Obama, who was born in Hawaii and lived there as a child, uses the gesture often. May emoji pa nga yan. Kung maligaw kayo sa Oahu sa Hawaii, may statue sa harap ng Polynesian Cultural Center ni Hamana Kalili, ang accidental inventor ng shaka or as many in the Philippines know it, ang A. O, diba?
Meow meow.